What's up, Zoomers? So this is not going to be one of those tutorial videos where I explain something or show you something. It is more going to be just me talking about what's going on, what I am doing currently. So specifically in Linux, so I've decided to completely switch to Qtile. So if you guys are following my channel, you might know that I am using i3 for a while now, and to be specific, for about, let me check, so for about 4 months now. Well, that's a long time. So I've tried some, so I am looking for other window managers. So I've tried Awesome, Qtile, OpenBox. I've tried many, but I haven't switched completely back to one. So I have been using i3 gaps for a while. So I've decided to switch back to Qtile. Well, in the past I've tried Qtile for a while. I tried to configure it for, like, to some extent. I basically tried it and figured it out, like how it is different from i3. So yeah, also Awesome is pretty configurable, but the only problem with Awesome is I need to configure it in Lua, which is not really my thing. I haven't tried anything in Lua and I am not really familiar with it. So the plus factor in Qtile, it is written entirely in Python, so it's easy to configure just because I am kind of familiar with Python. So also I've been doing some rising stuff. As you can see currently, this Qtile bar having some sort of power line kind of thing, okay, and also my Rofi thing. And also, if you are looking at this video currently, you can see I am writing the readme file for my Rofi config. So basically I modified my Rofi config. Well, actually I took the config from the Dracula theme website and basically modified it just because the original theme is not that great. So also you might be thinking why I'm doing this kind of videos and not one of those tutorial videos. So I watched this video on John Hammer channel. It was pretty old, but he was also using the same concept for that video. So I decided to give it a try and basically check it out. How does it going to perform? So leave some comments about what do you think about this kind of videos, so that I might make more videos in the past. Well, there is one problem that I'm facing in Qtile, which is when I open my Kdenlive to edit videos, and basically when I cut a video clip and try to select a specific portion, it is not selecting. It is basically moving the slider for some reasons. So if you know how to fix it, just leave some comments about it. Also, this Qtile Rise is still work in progress. As you can see, it is not the perfect one, and still I'm using a different theme for VS Code. It's because I was trying a new theme for the i3, which was IU Dark. Apart from the rising stuff, now I'm gonna spend some time to write some Rofi scripts or dmenu script just to improve my workflow. And also I find this new way to manage dot files, which is with the help of Git bare repository. So I actually watched this video a while ago from DT's channels, but today I finally configured it, and now if you are going to take a look at my dot file repository, you will find a new kind of thing. I mean, the new way to manage it. So yeah, as you can see, the video is over now. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So, and I'm also thinking to launch some video courses on, like, programming tutorials. So let me know what you think about them.